Alright guys, this is going to be a very nice video for the Omni Terminator across different challenges. It's going to be amazing. This is going to be a track that I'm setting myself. I hope you guys enjoyed. My Condoritos, please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna send it all the way. And let's see how that goes, guys. I don't know. So let's make it happen, guys. Let's make it happen. Hey, cameraman, I need you to follow me. Remember what we spoke the other day? Come here a little bit. All right, just stay there. Practice mode, this is just practice. All right, guys. All right, let's make it happen, guys. All the way, full send.
Every stick of place, there's a story I show. Yeah, we ride with pride. Another chapter born every time we drive.
That was a nice jump. Little wink, a little extra. Oh, crashed the ramp. Nothing happens. He can handle it. Let's go. Again, another full send, guys. Okay, lost the body. Lost the body, guys. Let's fix that. All right, guys. Just testing here. So, guys, with the Terminator, the body is coming off every time I jump it off the ramp. We are good. Nice. That was nice. I need to practice the ramp, guys, because I'm not so expert. Again. That's the problem that I have with that car. The body. Coming off. every time. It's coming up every time. All right, guys, you want to see my temporary solution to my Terminator problem? A little crazy, but put a couple of cable ties from one stream to the other one tight, so I don't think it's gonna come off, but if it does, it will be completely destroyed. So who knows? Here we go, guys. Oh shit! Here we go, guys. Oh shit! It didn't work. That body wants to come out every time, guys. Every freaking time. It's impossible. So I guess I would call a fail for the Terminator. I'm gonna call it here because unfortunately it didn't pass this test because of the body. Sadly, but that's the reality behind it. It worked. That body wants to come out every time, guys. Every freaking time. It's impossible. No, that's the only flaw that I have seen so far of this car. So I forgive it because, come on, it can't be perfect. It can't. Start position right here under the ramp. Okay? And it's going to be coming over here, over there, going around, going over there, then like an S there, and then going all the way straight here. Okay, so let we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Trying to maintain. Uh-oh, bad driver there. I gotta say it, that was a bad driver. All right, here we go. Full throttle. Full throttle. That guy, full throttle, is a monster. Okay, let's see if the body didn't fly. Nope, go back. Make it happen next. Second try, guys. Hope this is perfect. So here we go, guys. Second try. 3, 2, 1. Fail. There you go, guys. Here we go, guys. Full throttle. Full throttle. I really like this car, man. I'm telling you. All right, guys, one last try. 3, 2, 1, now, on the go, on the go. Come on, Terminator. Don't let me down, Terminator. Let's do it. The battery is already wasted, man. I see the indicator and I'll let you know how much is it. But I'm about to die, battery wise. Here we go. Here comes the Terminator. Here comes the Terminator. Full power. What is left there? Battery is 10.3 volts. So it's completely out and I have the telemetry on my remote.